So hello everyone, this is Systemsless. Welcome to our project. This is project made under Flipcoin Grid 5.0. So our project is blockchain based, which enhances e-commerce loyalty program through transparent rewards utilizing fungible tokens for user engagement, and brand partners can seamlessly manage their tokens while user can track their rewards. So which is a scalable solution as well. So we made our this project to look like Flipkart, so that user can simulate the actual application of their tokens. So let's move on to our home page. So let me create my team account here. So my team's first name is System. Username is sys32. I can give email as sys32@gmail.com. Password, a standard password here, sys32@123. Phone, 10 digit number. Yeah. So we made our account here. So let's see the magic.
So let's head on to our page where users can see their portfolio of FlipGem. So here you can see a page called FlipGem Zone. So here users can manage their FlipGem current balance. Here you can see the current balance the user has is 0, and the recent transaction is also does not have because it hasn't bought any product or coupons. So here you can see the conversion value of FlipGem to 0.34 USD, means the currently as this token is deployed on testnet of Mumbai. If it is deployed on mainnet, then the conversion value will be displayed here. Also is relative change. So let's see if user want to earn a FlipGem, how it can earn. Let's go here. Let's I want to buy this watch. Here it says that for each purchase on this product I will earn 100 FlipGems. So let's buy this product. For now we have not integrated payment integration to fasten this process. So here it says FlipGem successfully earned. So let's head back to our portfolio and see if it is visible here. Here you can see the FlipGem rewarded 100 FlipGem. So for as I have bought that product, I have earned 100 FlipGems. Okay. Now let's buy a coupon with those FlipGems. Let's head on to this coupon page. Here you can see there are 4 coupons available. Let's buy this coupon, which has a worth of 10 FlipGem. Here user can buy the coupons for the specific brands which we have collaborated. Here it says coupon successfully bought. Now let's head on to our portfolio again. Here it can says there are 2 transactions available: FlipGem directed and FlipGem rewarded. For the rewarded, for we have bought the product, and directed for we have bought the coupon. But that's not it about this dashboard. Here you can see a real-time dynamic graph for the FlipGem current balance change. Here you can see first it was 0, then it was rewarded, so it was 100, then 90. So also here you can see user can also see their transactions on the Polyscan network. Here user can copy the wallet address through this button, head to the Polygon testnet and just paste their wallet address and just search it. Here you can see in the ERC token taxations, there are 2 transactions available. First for the buying the product and other for buying the coupon. Okay. So that what is our FlipGem dashboard.
Every innovation comes with its own set of rules, and we do have our own set of rules as well. So if you go to your user and then you open loyalty program guidelines, all the guidelines and rules and regulations of the program are shown here. The 4 main lists are token, insurance, and tokenomics. This tells us about all the details of our token, what its name, what its symbol, and all the other stuff related to the token name and token details. User action rewards. This guides the user about how he or she can earn the rewards and how he or she can use those rewards as well. Partners and sellers. These are some guidelines for the partners and sellers, partnering companies. For example, if a brand wants to collaborate with them. Then the last is decaying nature of tokens. Every token gets decayed after a particular period of time. It slowly starts getting decaying. And moreover, we also added a YouTube video embedded link where we have also help users understand about
Imagine you are buying
and we also helping them know what blockchain is and how exactly this flipgem works through a YouTube embedded video. So, but it's not all. So, suppose if a company wants to collaborate with us, we can go to more. The account of the company will go to more and choose issue token option. Once the company chooses issue token option, you can see that there are 3 columns: user address, user amount, and access key. So the company will get an access key once the account is created. You can put the access key here, put the amount and address of your wallet, and the company can get the token transferred to her or its own account, so that she or he can also use the flip gems according to their convenience. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us. Our project encapsulates knowledge, wisdom, and collaboration. This is T Systems Layers signing off.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.